The sleek design of your LG TV makes it ideal for wall mounting. Of course, doing it right takes a little time and preparation, and you'll definitely need a good friend for the final steps. First things first, you want to choose the correct wall mount for your new TV. The LG Easy Slim wall mount is a fine choice, available at lg.com. Top quality wall mounts are also available at your favorite retailer. You just want to make sure that they meet the VESA standards for quality and safety, and that they're the correct size for your screen dimensions. Depending on where you're planning to hang your TV, consider this. Do you want to be able to swivel the TV left and right? Do you want it to tilt up and down? A big factor if you love watching TV from various positions. Make sure your bracket choice matches your needs. So what's the best height for hanging? Ideally, the middle of the screen should be eye level when you're seated. Many prefer a TV height that's eye level when they're standing, but too high can be a real pain in the neck when you're seated, and that's the way you usually watch TV. Okay, let's get going. First step, lay your TV on a flat protected surface to avoid any scratching. You want to attach the bracket components that go on your TV, so use a screwdriver to remove the mounting hole covers. Easy enough. Now we've got to loosely attach the bracket portion that will go on the wall in order to measure exact top and bottom distances. Another major consideration, you want to drill your wall bracket into wooden studs to make sure your TV is securely mounted. Tapping on the wall until you hear a solid thump, it's hit or miss. A stud finder is your best bet and a wise investment. Of course, wall construction can vary. Brick, solid concrete, and concrete block walls require special wall anchors. So be sure to start off right, and always use a level to make certain that the bracket is on an even keel before attaching it to the wall. Of course, nothing compares with a wall mount where all the wires are hidden. So here's the essence of what you have to do. Make a hole in your wall for the HDMI cable, one behind the bracket, one near the baseboard at the bottom. As far as hiding the power cord, your safest route is to install the outlet behind the TV. Wires in or out, the final hanging step is a two-person job. And there it is, your LG TV. Fine art that everyone can agree on.